Welcome to AI Certs Podcast. We are diving deep today into AI and how it's revolutionizing cloud architecture.
Mhm.
It's gone way beyond just data science, right? It's
Right.
becoming like the backbone, the foundation of how we even think about and build and manage these cloud systems.
Yeah,
And get this, by 2030, AI is projected to contribute like a huge $1.35 trillion to the global economy.
that's right.
That's a massive number.
Yeah.
Clearly, AI is going to be a major economic force, and so much of that will be driven by how it impacts the cloud. So that's what we're going to explore in this deep dive, how AI is reshaping cloud architecture, what it means for businesses, and ultimately what it signifies for the future of tech.
Absolutely. I mean, think about it. In the early days of cloud computing, it was all about just storing and processing these huge amounts of data.
Right.
But with AI, we've entered a whole new era of intelligent cloud systems. These systems can learn from the data they hold, they can automate complex tasks, and they can even optimize workloads in real time.
It's like the cloud just gained a brain. But what are the key technologies that are driving this incredible shift?
Well, there are a few major players here: neural networks, machine learning, ML for short, and deep learning, which is often called DL. These are the engines that power the intelligence of modern cloud platforms.
Okay, so those are the big names, neural networks, ML, DL. But can you give me like a real-world example of how these technologies are actually playing out in the cloud?
Absolutely. Let's look at autoscaling. It's a feature offered by both Google Cloud and AWS, and they utilize AI to predict when there will be high demand for resources. Imagine you're running an e-commerce site and a big sale is about to start. AI can anticipate that surge in traffic and automatically scale up your cloud resources to handle it. This ensures a smooth customer experience even during those peak times, and it saves you from overpaying for unused resources.
So that's pretty amazing. AI is like a super efficient traffic cop for the cloud,
Exactly.
making sure everything runs smoothly.
Precisely. And the market is recognizing the power of this technology. The global market for artificial neural networks is expected to skyrocket from $117 million in 2019 to $296 million by 2024. That's a compound annual growth rate of 20.5%.
Wow.
Businesses are clearly seeing the value of integrating AI into their cloud solutions.
Those numbers are definitely impressive.
Mhm.
It seems like AI isn't just enhancing cloud performance, but it's also tackling some major challenges in cloud computing head on.
You're absolutely right. We're talking about things like performance monitoring, security risks, and even cost management.
Uh-huh.
These are areas where AI is making a real difference for businesses.
Okay, so let's break those down. How is AI being used to address each of those challenges?
Well, let's start with performance monitoring. Think of it this way. AI is like a constant health check for your cloud systems. It can analyze tons of data like CPU usage, memory consumption, and network traffic. This allows AI to detect potential bottlenecks or performance issues long before they become major problems. This real-time insight enables businesses to address those problems proactively and ensure a smooth and efficient cloud environment.
So it's like having an AI doctor for the cloud,
Yes,
constantly monitoring its vital signs.
that's a great analogy. Now, on the security front, AI acts as a vigilant digital security guard. It can constantly analyze network traffic and system logs, searching for patterns that could indicate cyber threats. It's incredibly efficient at identifying suspicious activity and can even trigger automated responses to neutralize potential attacks. Microsoft Azure, for example, uses AI-powered security analytics to detect and respond to cyber threats in real time, protecting sensitive data and reducing the need for manual intervention.
That's incredibly reassuring in a world where cyber attacks are becoming more and more sophisticated every day. So AI is improving security, it's optimizing performance. What about cost management?
Right, because AI isn't just about performance.
Yeah.
It's also about efficiency and cost savings. AI can analyze your past cloud usage to predict when you'll need more resources, meaning you can automatically scale up only when needed, saving you a bundle on cloud costs. And it goes even further. AI can identify underutilized resources like virtual machines that are just sitting idle and recommend ways to reduce that waste. It's like having an AI financial advisor for your cloud, making sure you're getting the most value for your money. IBM Cloud, for instance, offers AI-powered cost management tools that help businesses track and predict their cloud expenses.
Wow.
This gives companies a better understanding of where their cloud budget is going and allows them to make more informed decisions.
So AI is not only a performance booster and a security guard, it's also a savvy cost consultant.
Absolutely.
Are there any numbers that demonstrate just how impactful AI is in these areas?
Absolutely. Studies have shown that integrating AI into cloud systems can lead to a significant reduction in cloud infrastructure costs, sometimes by as much as 25%. In addition, we've seen AI deliver up to a 35% improvement in security threat detection. These results speak volumes about the transformative power of AI in cloud architecture.
Those are some serious improvements. It's clear that AI is much more than just a buzzword. It's a real game changer for how businesses are building and managing their cloud systems.
Yeah.
But what about other cloud challenges like scalability,
Yeah.
data integration, and management?
Yeah.
How is AI tackling those issues?
You've hit on some crucial areas. Let's start with scalability, the ability of your cloud to grow with your business. AI makes scaling your cloud resources incredibly efficient. It can dynamically allocate resources based on real-time demand. So if your website traffic suddenly spikes, AI can instantly provision more server power to keep things running smoothly. It's like having an elastic cloud that expands and contracts to meet your exact needs.
That sounds incredibly useful, especially for businesses that experience a lot of unpredictable fluctuations in demand. But what about data integration?
Right.
Managing and keeping data consistent across different cloud platforms, that could be a real nightmare.
It certainly can be. But AI is stepping in to make that process much smoother. AI can automate tasks like data migration, cleansing, and synchronization across different platforms. This means you can easily move data between your different cloud services, clean up inconsistencies, and ensure that your data is always up to date and accessible. It's like having an AI data wizard, seamlessly weaving together your information from different sources.
So AI is like a conductor, orchestrating all these complex data movements behind the scenes.
Exactly.
But AI is great at managing existing systems. What about building the next generation of cloud architectures? What role will AI play in shaping the future of the cloud?
That's where things get really exciting. We're moving towards self-learning, self-healing cloud systems that can adapt to changing needs in real time. This is the true potential of AI in the cloud, creating systems that are intelligent, autonomous, and incredibly resilient.
Wow, that sounds like something straight out of a science fiction movie.
Mm.
How is AI making these futuristic cloud architectures a reality?
Well, there are several key trends to watch. First, we have neural networks, like convolutional neural networks, CNNs, and recurrent neural networks, RNNs, being used for cloud optimization. Imagine CNNs as the eyes of the cloud, analyzing patterns in your data, while RNNs act like its memory, understanding sequences and predicting future behavior. Together, they give the cloud a deep understanding of what's happening and how to optimize performance.
So AI is giving the cloud both vision and memory.
Exactly.
That's fascinating. But it's not just about analyzing data, right? It's also about using that data to create things.
Yeah.
What about generative AI? How is that playing a role in the cloud?
Sure. Generative AI is like having a creative AI assistant at your disposal. It can automatically generate reports, summaries, and even code based on your data. This can significantly speed up development and free up data scientists to focus on more strategic initiatives. Plus, generative AI can optimize big data analytics, making it easier to extract valuable insights from massive data sets.
It's like having an AI that can handle all the tedious data processing tasks, leaving us humans to focus on the big picture thinking.
Exactly. And let's not forget about the growing role of AI in cloud security. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants can automate security alerts and provide instant support to users. Imagine a chatbot that can answer your questions about security protocols or walk you through troubleshooting steps. This frees up human security experts to focus on more complex threats.
So AI is not only analyzing threats, but it's also communicating with users and providing real-time support. That's pretty incredible. But with all this talk about AI taking on more and more tasks, are there any concerns about losing human control over cloud infrastructure?
That's a valid concern. It's crucial to remember that AI is a tool, and it's up to humans to define its role and boundaries. While AI can automate many tasks, it's essential to have human oversight to ensure that AI is making decisions that align with business goals and ethical considerations.
That makes sense. It's all about finding the right balance between AI's capabilities and human intelligence.
Mhm.
And speaking of human intelligence, are there any particular companies that are really pushing the boundaries of AI in cloud architecture?
Absolutely. One company that's doing amazing work is Oracle. Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, or OCI, is leveraging AI-powered analytics to optimize data storage and retrieval. This means faster access to data, improved query performance, and a better experience for their enterprise clients. They're a great example of how AI can be used to enhance efficiency and deliver real value to customers.
That's a fantastic example.
Yeah,
But with all this talk about AI's capabilities, it's important to acknowledge that there are also challenges to implementing AI in cloud architecture.
you're absolutely right.
One of the biggest challenges, I imagine, is the skills gap. Finding people with the expertise to develop, deploy, and manage these AI systems is a major hurdle for many organizations.
It is. And in fact, a recent study by IBM found that 42% of organizations cite a lack of AI skills as a major barrier to AI adoption in cloud computing.
That's a significant obstacle.
Yeah.
It seems like we need to invest in AI education and training to bridge this skills gap and unlock the full potential of AI in the cloud.
Absolutely. Building a skilled AI workforce is essential for driving innovation and responsible AI adoption in cloud computing, and that's where resources like AI certs can play a crucial role. You can find more information about their certification programs at www.aicerts.io.
That's a great resource for anyone looking to build their AI skills and stay ahead of the curve in this rapidly evolving field.
Exactly. And with AI becoming increasingly integrated into every aspect of technology, building those skills is more important than ever.
Well, we've covered a lot of ground in this deep dive, exploring how AI is transforming cloud architecture in so many ways. But our journey doesn't end here. In the next part of this deep dive, we'll delve even deeper into the future of AI in cloud computing, looking at trends like self-learning cloud systems, quantum AI, and AI-powered DevOps. It's going to be an exciting exploration of how AI is shaping the future of technology. Stay tuned.
So we've talked about how AI is solving some of these big challenges in the cloud today, but what about the future? What role will AI play in building those next generation cloud architectures?
That's where things get really exciting, right? We're talking about these incredibly advanced technologies like AI-powered automation and these complex neural network architectures that are really changing how we even design and build cloud systems.
Exactly. Imagine self-learning, self-healing cloud systems that can adapt to changing needs in real time.
Yeah,
That's the kind of power that AI is bringing to the table.
that sounds almost like science fiction, you know?
Right.
How is AI actually making these futuristic cloud architectures possible?
Well, there are a few key examples we can look at. One of the most impactful areas is the use of neural networks for cloud optimization. AI models like convolutional neural networks, CNNs, and recurrent neural networks, RNNs, are incredibly good at analyzing these huge volumes of data to improve performance monitoring.
Can you break those down for me? I know we touched on them earlier, but I'm still not quite clear on what CNNs and RNNs actually do.
Of course. Think of CNNs like the eyes of the cloud.
Okay.
They're designed to analyze images and patterns in your cloud data.
Okay.
This could be anything from security camera footage to satellite images to even medical scans that you're storing in the cloud.
So they're helping the cloud see what's going on.
Exactly. And RNNs are like the cloud's memory. They're really good at understanding sequences of data like user behavior patterns or fluctuations in network traffic. They can analyze those patterns to predict what's likely to happen next.
So together they give the cloud both vision and memory.
Precisely.
That's incredible.
It really is. And that kind of deep understanding allows for much more proactive management of cloud resources. For example, imagine an RNN predicting a sudden surge in traffic to a website. It could trigger the cloud to automatically allocate more server power to handle that demand, ensuring a smooth user experience.
So AI is not just reacting to problems, it's anticipating them.
Exactly.
What other advancements are on the horizon?
Well, we've got natural language processing, or NLP, playing a bigger role in cloud security. We're seeing more AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants being used to automate security alerts and respond to user inquiries.
So instead of relying solely on human security experts, we've got AI stepping in to handle those more routine tasks and provide instant support.
Precisely. This means security teams can focus on more complex threats while AI handles things like answering user questions about security protocols or resetting passwords. It's all about making security more efficient and responsive.
That makes a lot of sense. What other innovations are shaping the future of AI and cloud architecture?
Another area that's really taking off is generative AI. This is where AI is used to create things like reports, summaries, and even code based on the data it's been trained on. Imagine having an AI assistant that can automatically generate a detailed report on your cloud usage or write code to automate a repetitive task.
Yeah, that would be a huge time saver.
Right.
It sounds like generative AI is going to revolutionize how we work with data in the cloud.
It definitely has the potential to do that. And then we have AI-driven load balancing, which is crucial for ensuring optimal performance in cloud environments. AI can dynamically distribute workloads across servers, making sure no single server gets overloaded. Think of it as an intelligent traffic director, ensuring a smooth flow of data and traffic across the cloud.
It sounds like AI is orchestrating a symphony of data and processing power in the cloud.
Yes.
Are there any real-world examples of companies using these advanced AI architectures?
Absolutely. One great example is Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, or OCI. They're using AI-powered analytics to optimize how data is stored and retrieved. This means faster access to data, improved query performance, and ultimately a better experience for their enterprise clients.
So AI is playing a key role in making the cloud faster, more efficient, and more user-friendly.
Exactly, and this is just the beginning. As AI technology continues to evolve, we're going to see even more groundbreaking applications in cloud computing. From self-learning cloud systems to quantum AI, the future is incredibly exciting.
I can't wait to see what's next. But with all this amazing potential, it's also important to consider the ethical implications of AI in the cloud, right?
Absolutely. As AI systems become more powerful and autonomous, we need to ensure that they're being used responsibly and ethically. This means addressing issues like data bias, privacy concerns, and the potential impact of AI on employment.
Yeah, these are all really important considerations. But even with those challenges, it's clear that AI is going to play a critical role in shaping the future of cloud computing.
There's no doubt about that. The cloud is becoming the foundation for virtually every aspect of our digital lives, and AI is the key to unlocking its full potential.
Well, this has been an incredibly insightful look into the world of AI and cloud architecture. It's amazing to see how AI is transforming the cloud in so many ways. But our journey isn't over yet. In the next part of our deep dive, we'll explore some of the trends that are shaping the future of AI in cloud computing. Stay tuned to learn more about the exciting world of self-learning cloud systems, quantum AI, and AI-powered DevOps. We've talked about how AI is solving today's cloud challenges and even previewed some of the amazing advancements on the horizon. But now let's really gaze into that crystal ball and explore the future of AI and cloud architecture. What kind of world is AI building in the cloud?
Well, it's a world of intelligent automation, incredible efficiency, and systems that are so responsive, it's almost like they can think for themselves. One of the most transformative trends we're seeing is the rise of self-learning cloud systems.
Right.
Imagine cloud environments that can optimize their own performance, identify and address security threats before they even become problems, and even predict future needs based on patterns we might not even notice. That's the ultimate goal, creating cloud systems that are so intelligent they can learn and adapt without constant human intervention.
That's mind-blowing. It's like the cloud has become this living, breathing organism, constantly evolving and improving. But how far away is this self-learning future? Is this something we'll see in our lifetime?
It's closer than you might think. We're already seeing early versions of self-learning systems in areas like auto-scaling and security monitoring. As AI technology advances, these systems will become more sophisticated and capable of handling increasingly complex tasks. It's a gradual evolution, but the direction is clear towards a more autonomous and intelligent cloud.
That's incredibly exciting. But what about the hardware side of things? We've talked about software and algorithms, but will AI impact the physical infrastructure of the cloud, like data centers?
Absolutely. AI is poised to revolutionize how data centers are designed, built, and operated. Imagine AI-powered systems that can analyze vast amounts of data from sensors, optimizing everything from cooling systems to energy consumption. These systems could even predict equipment failures before they happen, preventing downtime and ensuring smooth operation. AI has the potential to make data centers far more efficient, sustainable, and cost-effective.
So AI isn't just about virtual intelligence, it's also bringing real-world improvements to the physical infrastructure of the cloud. It's amazing how AI is impacting every level of cloud computing.
It really is, and this is just the beginning. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more groundbreaking applications in cloud computing. For example, one area that holds immense potential is quantum AI.
Okay, I have to admit, quantum computing is still a bit of a mystery to me. Can you explain what it is and how it could impact the cloud?
It's definitely a complex topic. In simple terms, quantum computers harness the principles of quantum mechanics to perform calculations in a fundamentally different way than traditional computers. This allows them to solve certain types of problems that are currently impossible for even the most powerful supercomputers. When you combine that power with AI, you get quantum AI, a field with the potential to revolutionize everything from drug discovery to material science.
So quantum AI could supercharge the cloud, giving us the ability to solve incredibly complex problems and develop even more sophisticated applications.
Exactly. It's a game changer, and it's not just about raw processing power. Quantum AI could also lead to breakthroughs in AI algorithms themselves, allowing us to create AI systems that are far more intelligent and capable than anything we can imagine today.
Wow, it sounds like quantum AI could unlock a whole new level of possibility in the cloud. But are there any real-world examples of companies exploring this technology?
Yes, there are. Several major tech companies, including Google, IBM, and Microsoft, are investing heavily in quantum computing research. They're exploring a wide range of potential applications, including using quantum AI to improve drug discovery, develop new materials, and enhance financial modeling. It's still early days, but the potential is enormous.
It's incredible to think about the kind of future we're building with AI in the cloud. From self-learning systems to quantum computing, it feels like we're on the cusp of a technological revolution.
We absolutely are. And it's not just about these big futuristic ideas. AI is also transforming the way we build and manage cloud applications today. One area that's seeing significant change is DevOps, the practice of automating software development and deployment.
So how is AI changing the world of DevOps?
AI is being used to automate many of the tasks that DevOps teams traditionally handle manually, like code testing, deployment, and monitoring. This frees up developers to focus on more creative and strategic work, while AI ensures that the software development process is faster, more efficient, and less prone to errors.
It sounds like AI is becoming an indispensable tool for DevOps teams, helping them work smarter and deliver better software faster.
Absolutely. And this is just one example of how AI is impacting the everyday work of software developers and cloud professionals. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative applications that streamline workflows, enhance productivity, and unlock new possibilities.
So after this incredible deep dive into the world of AI and cloud architecture, what are the key takeaways you want our listeners to remember?
The most important takeaway is that AI is no longer a futuristic concept. It's here, it's transforming the cloud, and it's only going to become more powerful and pervasive in the years to come. Whether it's optimizing existing systems or building entirely new architectures, AI is the driving force behind a more intelligent, efficient, and responsive cloud.
It's clear that AI is not just the future of cloud computing, it's the present. So what's the big question our listeners should be asking themselves after this deep dive?
The question is, are you ready to embrace the AI-powered cloud? Because the future of technology is inextricably linked to the cloud, and AI is the key to unlocking its full potential.
That's a powerful message. We've seen the transformative impact of AI on cloud security, resource optimization, and even the design of future cloud architectures. It's clear that AI is not just a trend, it's a fundamental shift in how we build and manage technology. So if you're ready to build your AI skills and get ahead of this curve, I encourage you to visit www.acerts.io. They offer cutting-edge certification programs that can equip individuals and organizations with the knowledge and expertise needed to thrive in this exciting new era of AI-driven cloud computing.
That's right. Whether you're a cloud architect, a developer, or simply someone who wants to understand the future of technology, AI Certs offers the training and resources you need to navigate this rapidly evolving landscape.
Thank you for joining us for this deep dive into the world of AI and cloud architecture. We hope you found it informative, insightful, and inspiring. And remember, the future is in your hands. Embrace the power of AI, and let's build an amazing future together in the cloud.